kiddo.
What do you got?
Have to open it first. Why did I get a box? Daddy, my scissors. Where are you, scissors?
They're over here on the bench, okay?
Cut the tape. There you go. Watch your fingers.
Oh, well. What did I get here? My thing that I always wanted.
What is it? Careful on the table.
I think it's a rock Gigi found. With crystals inside. My thing I've always wanted.
Let's see. Bring it here. Show it to me. Ooh. I'm going to show this to Gigi. So what do you tell Gigi?
Thank you, Gigi. I really enjoyed it. This is the thing I've always wanted.
Okay, give her a big kiss.